Friends, welcome back. In this video, let us understand few simple macros to manage few repeated activities for which we may not be requiring advanced knowledge of VBA coding. If you look at the example, I'm having two command buttons wherein with the help of them I'm just hiding and unhiding a specific sheet. So I'm showing a simple way of creating a macro with macro recording and editing the same. Hope this video will help you to create more simple macros with the help of recording a macro and then editing the code. So that is the key to develop interest in creating more macros through a VBA code as well. Now let us go to the example. In this example, I'm going to explain you how to hide and unhide a sheet through an automation, through a command button. For that, I'm recording a macro first. So I've created a new workbook and added two more sheets, and now I am recording an activity of hiding and unhiding through macro recorder. So say record and then sheet, say hide sheet, say OK. Let us hide it and then immediately unhide it. That is what I am doing now. I am just stopping the recorder, and then Alt F11 and go to the module and let us see the code. If you look at the code, there are several lines are appearing. As we earlier discussed, while recording a macro, each step what we have done in Excel is considered as a single statement, and accordingly macro will be built. So in this case, we have selected sheet 3, and then we have done another activity where active window select sheets visible, and then we said we have hidden the sheet, and then again we have selected sheet 2, and then we have unhidden the sheet 3. So the entire lines are not actually required for this macro at all. Only one or two lines are required from this entire bunch of statements. Look at the entire bunch of statements very carefully. We can understand which statement to be kept and which can be removed, so that we can understand how the VBA code is written. So let us go through each line. Sheet 3 dot select, sheets sheet 3 dot select. It is not required for us to hide or unhide any sheet, so let us remove it. And then let us hold the second line, but let us go to the third line. Again, this is talking about sheets, sheet 2 select. This is not required because selection is not on objective, or objective is to either hide it or unhide it, remove it. The final line is actually talking the real code, which is sheet 3 visible is equal to true. That means from this statement we are unhiding a statement, unhiding a sheet. So I am removing this line as well, and I am just adding it another line and saying instead of true I am saying false. So sheet 3 visible is equal to false means I wanted to hide a sheet, and sheet 3 visible is equal to true, that means I'm unhiding the sheet. So I'll just remove all those things, and then I'm going to cut this line, add another sub routine, unhide, and then add this line here. So my code is ready, where the two macros are ready with a single line statement, which will help you to automate the hiding and unhiding process easy. Now let us go to Excel. Go to go to developer and insert, take the button, and it is asking what to do, hide, and then say hide. I am selecting another button, adding a button, unhide sheet, unhide. and let us color the sheet so that we can understand what is happening there. Oh sorry, we need to add these tabs in the other sheet where the hiding and unhiding activity is not happening. So developer, insert, hide sheet, hide, developer, insert button, and the unhide sheet, unhide. Now you can see the automation here. If I say hide, the sheet is hidden. If I say unhide, the sheet is coming out. So after once you have recorded the macro, you need to go through the statements very carefully and make sure that you need to keep the required statements. This can happen only through the practice. Hope you understand. I'm coming up with more examples, and keep watching. Thank you.